Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. We have some more entry-level type jobs. We have part-time data entry. We do have a job that requires absolutely no experience whatsoever. I do have some non-phone customer support, handling emails, and that website live chat. And I did for those people who are people and don't mind talking to people on the phone. I threw in a regular customer service job as well. One thing to note about more entry-level positions that don't have a lot of requirements that you have to meet is that they generally pay on the lower end. But sometimes you got to start somewhere. If you're just looking to get a job, work from home, you can gain that experience so then you qualify for those higher paying positions. So just going ahead and throwing it out there, most of these jobs in today's video are going to pay somewhere in the range of like $15 to $19 an hour. But as always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need to get those applications in, navigate around this video, can be found in the YouTube description box. Now, starting off, we have the company Corsair hiring. They are like a technology company, I believe. They make different products I've seen in Best Buy and like Walmart, like keyboards for computers. They make power supplies for computers. I think when my son was looking at building his gaming computer, the power supply box and all that he was looking at was Corsair brand. So they make different technology like parts and components. They have 232 reviews from past and current employees. They do have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating, coming in at 2.9 out of 5 stars, so almost 3 stars. And they are looking for a technical support rep. This is remote for the United States. They are basically looking for somebody to do technical support, customer service for their Elgato department. I do think the Elgato is some kind of device for streaming, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I'm wrong there, but regardless, they're looking for somebody to do basic customer service tech support. You're engaging with customers in a positive, confident attitude. You're talking to them probably mainly on the phone, but also doing website chat or emails. You will have tools available for you to look up things so you can investigate, research the customer issues. Using technical knowledge and probing skills, you're going to have to ask them follow-up questions, kind of see what they're seeing on their end so you can correctly troubleshoot their issue. But no college degree is needed for this one, just somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who is very detail-oriented, as a self-starter, and they're looking for somebody who kind of has a little bit of a technical knowledge. They prefer somebody who either has previous experience of building custom PCs or experience with support processes, systems, streaming, something like that, and somebody who knows both Windows and Mac OS, but it's really specific. They want somebody who knows that Mac OS system. Sadly for this one, they did not list the pay in the job description. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you're looking to do that non-phone customer support, like answering emails and website chats, Boom Entertainment is hiring. Now, please note, Boom Entertainment doesn't have a lot of reviews. They only have 26 reviews, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 26 reviews, though, they come highly rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support representative. Now, weekends are required for this. They're looking for someone who can more work evenings and weekends. Specifically, ideally, they'd like somebody who can work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 4 p.m. Eastern time and midnight Eastern time. So if you're outside of the Eastern time zone, you'll kind of have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Pay for this one is going to be $15 an hour. Unless you live in a state that has a higher state minimum wage, they will pay you the required state minimum wage. But Boom Entertainment is a technology company in the sports betting world. They kind of work with like NBC Sports, DraftKings, all of your different like online casinos like Golden Nugget. And so they are looking for somebody to handle their customer support for contest entrance through email and through that live chat feature on the website. So it's all non-phone, no talking, but you are on the website still kind of working those chats in a fast-paced type environment. They do use Zendesk for their email handling and support tickets. So you are just handling support requests. And of course, if there's anything that you can't resolve, you will escalate up to the proper parties, and you're monitoring for critical site issues with these gambling sites, resolving any bet and contest entries or inquiries regarding any sporting rules or account and billing inquiries. You might also have to do things like verify user identity during sign up, any gameplay questions that they have about the rules, things like that. Doesn't require any kind of college degree though, just 2 years of some kind of a customer support type experience. They do want somebody who has knowledge of some kind of sports, gaming, technology, betting, things like that. Somebody who kind of has knowledge of like online gaming fraud or payment or how payment systems work. Of course, you've got to have outstanding written communication, proper grammar and spelling, and you do have to have a strong internet connection. If you're looking to just get your feet in and start working from home, so you're looking for something that doesn't really require any experience or very little experience, Quest Diagnostics is hiring. Now, they have 5,700 reviews from past and current employees. They are a well-known company. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an insurance risk interviewer. Now, please note, you do have to scroll down a little bit on the page to get to all of the job details. And since this is a interviewer, it is going to be a phone job where you're making outbound phone calls for multiple client companies. And of course, you're going to be interviewing or asking a set of questions to gather information for people's insurance. Now, please note that they are looking for someone to start on March 24th, and pay is only $15 an hour. A lot of jobs that don't require any experience are going to start you off the pay on the low end because they're going to have to fully kind of train you. A lot of times pay and higher pay is due to experience. They are looking for somebody though to work Monday through Friday, anytime between 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time, which means that you're going to work different shifts. You might have a day or early morning shift one day and like an evening shift another day. So just know that they're looking for somebody who can kind of be flexible in the hours that you're working. But again, you're going to place outbound calls to these life insurance applicants who have applied for insurance, and you're going to complete the interview with the applicants or leave them a message for a return call because you've got to gather all the information to finish their application so it can get processed and they can get the insurance policies in place that they're looking for. You're going to gather medical, financial, occupational histories during that interview, reviewing and editing in the system all the information you collected. So you're going to have a dialer system on your phone that you use. So you're going to make an outbound phone call. If they don't pick up, you'll leave a message and you'll automatically dial another person. So this is going to be kind of like a fast-paced phone job. It's definitely not for everyone, but if you don't mind, they require absolutely no experience. It says not applicable, no work experience required. Now, it does say they prefer somebody who knows medical terminology, life insurance, or has customer service experience. And I'm sure we all have at least 6 months or so of customer service experience. Customer service can be anything from waiting tables, working in a restaurant, working in retail, babysitting, all those things. But they just say it's preferred. Nothing is actually required. You do have to have good communication skills, though, and already know how to work a computer, high school diploma, or GED. No college degree is needed. If you're looking for something that is part-time, doing data entry, and has a flexible schedule, CRG is hiring. Now, I do want to note CRG is a talent agency or staffing agency. This is going to be a temporary contract. But I always say, never fear staffing agencies. I have worked for companies that have used staffing agencies in the past, as well as had friends that worked for some. And sometimes staffing agencies is a way to get in the door with some companies and get to know the people that you need to know. A lot of staffing agencies connect you with companies that will then later on hire you on as a permanent employee. And if not, at least you're gaining that experience to add to your resume. Now, CRG has 45 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote data entry specialist. This is a contract through the end of June 2025, paying $19 an hour. It is based out of Greensboro, North Carolina. So they're probably looking for somebody to kind of work some Eastern Standard Time daytime hours. It does say they're looking for somebody to work 20 hours per week, and your schedule is flexible as long as you can allow time to meet and have one-on-one meetings with your manager on a weekly basis. They're looking for somebody to prepare and upload and track claims where required by law. So you're preparing and assembling state unclaimed property claims, preparing notes into the system for these unclaimed property standards. So you have to have strong grammar, spelling, proofreading skills. They're looking for somebody who has a strong work ethic and somebody who is very organized, can multitask, prioritize different tasks. Now, they are requiring an associate's degree for this one, and of course, somebody who can work around a computer, navigate those computer software systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.